Alright, this is going to be a canister vent valve replacement when you have an engine code P0455, and this is the part number I wrote down that's on the box. 2015 Chevy Malibu. What you're going to want to do, that box you're looking for is on your passenger rear side. Okay, first what you need to do is jack the car up. You're gonna have to undo this one up here that holds your fuel line in. There's another support bracket right here you're gonna want to undo. Then you're gonna want to drop your exhaust. It's a 13 millimeter, and it's that bracket just, let me zoom in, pops. Sorry if it's shaky. Pops over that hook right there, and you can pop it right back into place. Let your exhaust hang, and it's not going to hurt anything. Get yourself a jack to support the gas tank. These are 10 millimeters, this one and the one up there. Okay, you can see the canister right there I have disconnected and dangling already. Don't forget your exhaust hanger over there on the driver's side. Sorry, I know I'm all over the place, but bear with me. Okay. There's the part number. There's your new one. There's the old one. And you're gonna have to get a flathead screwdriver. When you lower this gas tank down, you're gonna want to get a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna want to pry right here in this area, because there is a little hook. I don't know if you can see right there, that black, I can't get the screwdriver in there, guys. Right there, right where the screwdriver's at, that you're gonna want to unhook, and then you slide this up and it will fall down. What you're looking for is that connector right there. That is where the new vent valve goes. So this connector is kind of a pain because you got that red locking switch. You're gonna have to get your flathead and push that the little red locking tab inside there back to unlock it. Then you are going to twist it up to where you get like right up here, and then pull it out. And it was a pain in the butt. So here goes the new one. I'll put it in. So like I said, facing up once you push it down all the way, and then you're going to want to twist it towards the back of the car. Until it clicks into place. There is a little guided area back behind there, you can see it, and it will snap into place here. It's hard to do it with one hand, but once you get that connected back in, just bolt your lifting your jack, and then start bolting your gas tank support brackets back up and the exhaust. Don't forget those two 10 millimeter bolts back there, and that's it.